Hello guys, Nikita Magdish here, the Epiphany guy, and today we are going to have with you some Epiphany grammar. Yes, why I'm having this video right now? Because a lot of students, intermediate, upper intermediate, and even advanced level, sometimes feel confused when they use this grammar structure. So let's dive deeper. Have you ever heard about used to? Have you ever heard about it? Do you remember when people use it or how it's explained? So when? Yes, the most important thing is to understand. You can learn like grammar structure, but you won't know when to use it. So when we use it? We use it when something is, as in Cambridge Dictionary, as something done or experienced in the past, but is not done and experienced now, or as a written, but is not true right now. You remember those sentences maybe from the school or somewhere else. They say he used to smoke, yes, but now he doesn't, yes. So do you remember some structures, how it used? Just try to get to those pictures, and also try to remember when you got like confused with the structures. Okay, so and now when you look through it, you remember everything that you have. We will go to example grammar. Yes, because how we can remember grammar on examples and actually on the situations. So the structure is super easy. Do this video very fast for you. So the subject, then used to plus verb. Yeah, everything is a subject. He, she, it, you, we, they, I, doesn't matter, the same. An example in affirmative. Yesterday and right now we talk about affirmative positive form sentence. I used to be poor, or also you can say broke. Yes, if you like don't have money, you're broke. But now I'm rich. Oh, I found that I've done like a tiny mistake. Yes. But now, yes, but now I'm rich. So, I used to be poor in the past, yes, somewhere like long time ago or can be recent, but now, what's the most important? Now it's not true. So actually, used to is almost as past simple, yes, but here we want to emphasize, we want to highlight that it's not true right now. Okay, do you have your own sentence? Who did you used to be? I used to be a teacher, but now I'm a life coach. But sometimes I also have this lessons for you because you have some requests. Who did you used to be? Did you used to be a student? Did you used to be a parent? Did you used to be a child? Yes? Okay, and now we go to the negative form. And negative form is subject, I, he, she, you, they, always happy. Yeah? And didn't, used to plus verb. And you see it's very important, so we don't use D here because D went to didn't. So he, she, didn't use to do something. Verb in the third form, so infinitive, yes? Infinitive. And for example, she didn't used to wake up early, but now she wakes up at 5 a.m. every morning. Yes? So she didn't used to. She used to wake up at 10, at 9, at 8 a.m. But now she wakes up at what? At 5 a.m. She didn't used to wake up early. She didn't have this habit before, but now she wakes up at 5 a.m. What about you? What is your habit? What habit did you have in the past? Did you wake up early? Did you used to wake up early, but now you don't? Did you used to wake up late? It just, so, for example, autumn just started, right? So probably you used to wake up later, but now you wake up what? Earlier. when did you used to wake up? And you can say, I used to wake up at 9 a.m. every morning. Yes, but now I should go to school, I should go to university, I should go to work. And I should wake up at what? At 7 a.m. It's up to you. And let's go to questions. And the question is, did plus use plus to plus infinitive. So, and again, we don't use here did because it went to did. So did he, she used to do that? For example, did you use to drink a lot? Did you used to drink a lot? So it's something that you did in the past. So for example, you can say, I used to drink a lot, but now I'm happy in life and I don't want to do that. Yes. Did you used to be a student? Yes, I used to be a student, but now I'm an employee or I'm an entrepreneur. Yes, I work for myself. Who did you used to be? What did you used to do? With who did you used to spend your time, but now you don't spend time with? Okay. So, and I want you to train it, and I want you in comments on write your answers. I will write some questions in the captions in the information below. I will ask you some questions, send you some grammar tables when you can find it to train, and I want you to train it. So the best way when you write it, you will try it in comments or for yourself, better in comments so people as they see you write the answers to my questions, and also try to speak it out. Yes, for yourself, just speak it out. I didn't used to, I used to. So it will be like repetition because our mind, our subconscious actually mind learns by repetition and we learn by repetition. Yes. And now I have a little bit trick for you. Can you find the mistake here? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You found it? I found it. Yes? We don't use. Did you used to drink a lot? Right? And it's a big mistake. Yes, a lot of people make this. But just remember, aware of it, be aware of it, and let me know. So guys, if you have, I hope this lesson was very valuable for you. Yes, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And where you have some issues and mistakes, let me know. Write me a question. I will introduce it to you. Thank you a lot. It was Epiphany Guy, Nikita Mahlich, and see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.